Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on how to get the most for your money when it comes to your wardrobe. So the first thing I want to say is to always sort low to high. When you're on a website, you always want to see on the top where it says bestsellers or featured or relevance, whatever it says on top. Just hit that little scroll button and then sort price low to high. So this is going to show you everything that you search for. Whatever comes up first would be the cheapest things. Sometimes I do including shipping and everything like that. And that'll just be a good idea, a good base for you to start shopping. You don't have to get the cheapest stuff if you don't want to, but that brings me to my next thing. If you find something and it's super inexpensive and you think it's too good to be true, make sure that you always read reviews. Things are gonna have 5-star reviews and some things are gonna have 1-star reviews and some things are gonna have both. It's up to you to decide what is important to you when you're buying something based off of those reviews. So if somebody says like, oh, this fit amazing, but the shipping took a long time. If that's something that's not important to you and they gave it a 3-star review, then I care more about how it fits and less about how long it takes to get to me. So that is something to keep in mind when you read reviews, to see, weigh the pros and cons of what actually suits you and your needs. Another thing is to get basics. So instead of getting, flashy tops or very distinct clothes that don't match well with other things, what you want to do is stick with a lot of basics or, things that can be mixed and matched. So a big thing with a capsule wardrobe, which is something that I don't actually have, but I do know a lot about, is that they have the modules of all clothes that kind of go together. So you don't really have to think about it in the morning. You could just kind of say like, I know all these clothes go together. So I could just grab a shirt from here and a pants from here and I know that it's gonna match no matter what. So the way to get a wardrobe like that is to really stick with basics. And I'm not saying it has to be a bland palette, not by any means, but just stick with basic items. So maybe a, plain green top like this can go with a wide assortment of different pants. It can go with a wide assortment of accessories, a wide assortment of shoes, lots of different jackets. You just have a lot of options for it when you just stick with kind of basic things. I'm not saying that you can't venture out and just kind of like really show your style, but you could do that with bold accessories like scarves or hats or shoes or statement necklaces or earrings and stuff like that. But to be able to just have a really versatile working wardrobe, I would go with basics. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.